our top pick. Based on our research, we decided that Holystone HS510 GPS is the best drone under $200. It meets all of the criteria necessary to be considered therapeutically effective and safe, and it's cheaper than many of its competitors. Welcome to Top Picks Finder YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at the top 5 best drone under $200 available on the market today. We compared pricing as well as features to come up with this guide. If you want more information and update pricing on the products mentioned, check these links in the description box below. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for next update video. Number 1. Holystone HS510 GPS Drone. The name Holystone has become synonymous with quality at a reasonable price in the drone market. You've probably heard about at least one Holystone drone before you came here. With that in mind, the Holystone HS510 is the go-to model for people that want to learn how to fly a drone and wish to accomplish that without spending too much money. 4K super resolution photos, it is able to use every single pixel, giving you crystal clear photos and film. This allows the camera to provide smooth 4K video at 16 frames per second, 2.7K video at 25 frames per second. HS510 is definitely a travel essential. Portable and ultralight, this fork drone has compact design in that the quadcopter arms and propeller blades can be folded. It is small and weighs less than 250 grams. You don't need to register your drone with the government. Endless fun and APP control. With GPS Follow Me, Tap Fly, the aircraft can shoot stable aerial shots. With carrying case, it is much more convenient to carry while traveling. GPS and GLONASS S dual satellite connectivity using both GPS and GLONASS S navigation systems, which means you should never lose this signal outdoors, along with the optical flow positioning, barometer, and satellite systems. And it has terrific return to home point and a new, more precise landing technology. Brushless motor with aviation propellers for high aerodynamic efficiency, which is more quiet and longevous than brushed motor. Number 2. Holystone GPS Drone. 2K HD camera and 5 GHz fluent transmission. The advanced camera with 9-tidy FOV. Field of view lens captures high-quality video and clearer photos. 5 GHz Wi-Fi FPV transmission reaches to 800 and ensures the high-speed real-time image. Easy to learn, it is able to do auto-hovering. With just one button, it will take off/land or return home. The drone is also equipped with headless mode, emergency stop, and 2 different speeds modes. Super easy for beginners, even kids. GPS auto return. Equipped with GPS, the drone is located and tracked. With just one button, send the drone to return. It can also automatically return home when on low battery or signal loss in GPS mode. No worry about losing it. Fun modes, it will follow you automatically to take photos or videos with Follow Me mode. You can even use the app to set circling around an object and plan a desired route. You are also able to take photos/videos by gesture control. Besides, the transmitter will record voice around while the camera is recording video. Number 3. Quintixo 4K GPS Quadcopter Drone. The most important specs of any drone is the flight time. Quintixo F22 is capable of flying for around 15 minutes on a full charge. While this is far from the longest flight time, it's pretty decent for a low-end drone. Thankfully, the F22 comes with an extra battery, so you effectively get around half an hour of flight time. The recharge time is around 120 minutes, which means you'll have to wait for a while before you can start flying again. The range on the F22 is also pretty surprising for a budget drone. The F22 has a control range of around 1,800 feet. With this much range, you'll have no problem taking incredible aerial shots. The F22 comes with a whole slew of useful features. For starters, this comes with gesture control. The most useful feature is definitely the custom flight path. In the Quintixo drone app, you can plot a route by simply adding points on the map. The app supports up to 16 points, which is more than enough for taking aerial footage. Number 4. Holystone HS440 Foldable 1080p HD Auto Adjustable Camera. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera that can be adjusted within 9-tidy by your remote control or the app. This drone can give you an exciting experience of aerial scenery from the 104-tidy wide-angle lens and assist you to catch every wonderful moment from a bird's eye perspective. 40-minute flight time. You can enjoy a maximum of 20 minutes flight time with one powerful modular battery. The package comes with a storage box and 2 batteries, extending your flight time to 4 minutes amazingly. Besides, the modular battery is easier to install and safer to use. Small but mighty, thanks to intuitive and advanced features packed in a foldable frame. HS440 provides complete freedom wherever and however you want to create. In addition, it's equipped with a carrying case which is very helpful for you to move the drone from one place to another. Simply operation for stunning content. HS440 carefully optimizes user experience and intelligent features. Number 5. Ruco F11 Foldable GPS Drones. Ruco is specializing in designing and manufacturing drones that are more accessible and easier to use for creators all around the world. We have the craftsman spirit of excellence, the pursuit of detail and quality. 4K UHD camera with shock absorption. The 4K UHD camera infused with shock absorption reduces the blurriness, provides you clear and stable image throughout. 9-tight adjustable camera with 120 FOV lens can widely capture the view in every precious moment. Brushless motors plus double GPS system. Durable alloy brushless motors provides a fast, quiet while powerful flight with level 6 wind resistance. Speed up to 12 meters per second. Double GPS system, one in drone and the other in the controller. Activates the ability of pressure altitude hold and keeps drone move accurately. Excellent battery offers 30 minutes long flight. The rechargeable energy battery offers max 30 minutes playtime with low power consumption and easy to replace. Its fast heat dissipation, overcharging, and overheating protection ensure safe use. Intelligent app helps fly easily. The exclusive app offers a simple and intuitive user experience to start your flight adventure with few steps. App includes GPS auto return home, GPS follow me, waypoint flight, point of interest flight, gesture photographing, one button for taking off or landing. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel for next update videos.